Welcome back to the channel, my YouTuber. Today I am coming to you from Snoqualmie Falls, Washington. One of the biggest waterfalls west of Mississippi River, folks. I have not been out here almost 40 years, so today I pay a visit back. I kind of forgot how to get here. I got lost coming over here, folks. There's the map. The Greenland of activity from mountain to the sound, folks. Yeah. Let's go check out the waterfall. This amazing natural God-made, or Buddha-made, or Islam-made natural waterfall. Folks, this is a beautiful, look like we had a garden, bouquet garden somewhere in the jungle of Cambodia. Folks, they got restroom, they got restaurant, they got sailor spa, massage, 6-star luxury resort right here on top of the Snoqualmie Falls. We at the main entrance. Just going to see if I can bring back memory the last time I came here when I was in K school, like K2. Folks, it is amazing. Look at that, my goodness. What a beautiful sight here, folks. You can't beat nature, folks. Oh, already, man, I'm feeling goosebumps. I'm kind of like, shit, is this thing gonna break? We are gonna fall. Ooh, look at that, my goodness. What a beautiful waterfall, folks. Wow. We got tourists coming out, checking out the waterfall. Get a better angle here. Wow, this is scary, man. Ooh, look at it. Ooh. Folks, I'm afraid of height. I'm afraid of height. It is early in the season. We haven't got a lot of snow yet. But usually during the rainy season, man, the water flood all the way up to the top of here. Folks, check out that view, man.
They're super healthy. Yeah, they are. That was a pretty good job too.
So you can, guys.
Beautiful Mother Nature, folks. Mother Nature. Let's see the surrounding area. Got people from all the world coming over here. We're in the middle of Cambodian jungle on top of the cliff, folks. Cambodian jungle. Kind of panorama, the surrounding. They got Bigfoot, cougar, lion, bear living in this jungle, folks. So after dark, they come out. So you wanna get the hell out of here before it gets dark. It's beautiful, folks. Sailor's Lodge. Well, if you wanna bring your husband or wife or newly girlfriend, you just pick up from a strip club, bring her to their Sailor's Lodge, man. Got a massage, private jacuzzi. You both can get it on all day and night, folks. Like I said, it's one of the biggest waterfalls west of Mississippi River. Ain't that beautiful, folks? Mother Nature, you can't win Mother Nature, folks. So the Bill Gates and the Soros stop destroying our flat Earth, all right? Stop making us eating bugs and artificial meat, processed McDonald's. We're not gonna eat none of that BS, folks. Let's go down here, see what we got here. All right, there's more to explore, folks. Just come down the stair. Hopefully I don't trip and smash my feet on the stairway and go back home half faceless, folks. Don't want that. It's usually we get snow this time of the season, you know, early January. For some reason it's been a warm winter. Yeah. Take a look on the side. Wow, it's like a park. Beautiful park, folks. Oh, they have a trail going down, I think. Let's see. See if I can spot me a Bigfoot or a cougar or a lion. Yeah, I think the Bigfoot, they're hiding in the cave. They're not gonna come out. Amazing, folks. Amazing view. Walk backward. How's that? Come to the outside. Amazing, folks. Yeah, if you're visiting Washington or Seattle, you gotta come up here, folks. You gotta come down here or come up the mountain. Yeah, this is nature, natural beauty, folks. You can't beat this, man. So the gate, the source. All right. Stop trying to poison us, folks. We ain't falling for no damn pandemic no more, alright? At least I'm not. Alright? Stop forcing fear into the people. We got the people on anti-depression, medication, anxiety. Folks, if you have those kind of mental health issues, come up here, release all your anxiety, folks. I guarantee you, man, you go back home, your mind will be clear. All right, just smell the nature, the air, the waterfall. All right, cure all kind of sickness. It's a better view. Yeah. Let's zoom in. You can see they got another water coming out of the hole right there, out of the rock. There. That's amazing, folks. Look at that. Get a great picture?
Yeah.
Yeah. And sell them. You sell your picture?
Huh?
Do you sell your picture?
Do I sell?
Yeah.
No, I
like
don't.
on website? Yeah.
No, no.
I thought the guy do. Well, I see a photographer, they sell it to, like, you know, like you get good shot at, like, anywhere in the world.
I'll think about it, you know?
I thought I saw Bigfoot, man, over there. A black Bigfoot running. Good. Folks, this is nature beauty, folks. Over there, that's the west side. You can see the city skyline from here. And over here, that's Tiger Mountain. Let's see what's on this side. Ah, okay. Look. Oh, so this is where they make the power, huh? Electricity, like a substation. That's all she wrote, folks. One more time. Goodbye, waterfall. We'll see you again next lifetime. Let's kind of check out the park, huh? Let's walk. Okay, they got a volleyball park. You can play volleyball here. Bring your ball and your, yeah. You can set a picnic here, you know, picnic chair. And they got a trail, but we're not gonna do that. It's getting late in the day. It's a trail going down all the way down there. It's like a couple miles. No, we're not gonna do that. Let's go back up the stair, folks. It's like a 50. Yeah. Wow. Up. There you go. Beautiful sight.
Yes, for sure, indeed.
That's all she wrote, folks. We're coming up to the main view, and we're just sitting on the top of the great Snoqualmie Falls. Let's go read the billboard. The fall in context. Snoqualmie Falls and the Snoqualmie River are part of the large natural water cycle and local watershed. All right. Charles Baker, engineer in Unity. That's the guy that discovered, or yeah, this right here. He died a long time ago, but anyway, that's some little history lesson, folks. The original power plant. Ah, okay, so this was a power plant, all right? So this is how we get electricity, huh? I see. Hydroelectric project today. Interesting. There's another. Let's see what we got up here. There's another observation deck at Snoqualmie Falls, one of the biggest waterfall west of the Mississippi River. Matter of fact, it ain't too, if you want to compare to the Niagara Falls on the East Coast, this one right here a little smaller when it comes to oh, it's a trail, huh? Let's see. Let's check out Sailor's Lodge, man. To my viewer, if I ever pick me up a girlfriend in 2025, I'm taking her here to Sailor's Lodge. We're gonna rent an extra big bed for 2 nights and 3 days, man. Just relax. No, I'm just, but this is better. This is another point of view from the other side. Let's see, this is Sailor's Lodge. Yeah, it's like a high-end 5-star hotel restaurant. Oh, you got the bridge here too. Sailor's Lodge and Spa. This is where people come and have sex, folks, just to be real. Couple come to have sex. That's what it is, like a rented, you know, sex room. But I digress, folks. Just want to show you this beautiful, beautiful building here in Sailor's Lodge. Yeah, a lot of sex going on in here, folks. It's like a 5-star restaurant. Got the VIP parking. Yeah. And they got the bridge for extra parking on the other side. Because this place does get busy on weekends, year round. Yep. Well, that'll be it, folks. It's a little short video up here on top of the Cambodian mountain called Snoqualmie Falls. We are going to go ahead and end this video right here. Once again, for my viewer, for my 1,000 subscriber viewer, please leave a comment. Good comment, bad comment. I will reply ASAP. No, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Hey, tell me, hey, cameraman, you sucks. You can't take no video. Or teach me how to take a better quality video, and you know, anything, folks. I'm a man. I can take anything. So please don't forget, leave a comment. You don't have to subscribe, just leave a comment and thumbs up, thumbs down. That's all this cameraman asked for. I got many more places, small town, big town, just in the state of Washington. I don't have to go travel outside the state, man. There's plenty of town, man. There's over like 1,000 towns left I still haven't covered. Because like I said, folks, I've been to every nooks and cranny in Washington. Big town, small town, countryside, you know? Been it all, man. So, once again, enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, and you have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.